Good morning, guys. Today I'm gonna make a Yorkshire pudding. So my ingredients is self-raising flour, 2 eggs, and a half cup of milk. And that's only my ingredients. So it's depend on you. The flour, I just make a 2 full spoon of just full of spoon, and then just mix it together. Three full spoon. But actually, I already pre-made mine here. So I'm just showing you the ingredients of Yorkshire pudding, and I already preheat the baking tray. So we're gonna put now cook that Yorkshire pudding. So we're gonna put in oven now and then wait for 20 to 25 minutes. So waiting na lang, guys. So we're just waiting. Here we go, guys. We're back. After 20 minutes, we're gonna get our Yorkshire pudding and we'll see if it's successful. So let's see. Well, guys, as you can see, it's successful. It's massive. So that's my Yorkshire pudding, guys. Bye. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. God bless. Bye.